For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and even purchase real estate. In the past, buying a home involved a great deal of manual research, multiple in-person visits, and back-and-forth negotiations. Today, AI tools can simplify and streamline this process, saving you time, money, and stress. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to buy a home with the help of AI, step by step. Step 1. Define your goals and budget with AI assistance. Before diving into listings, you need to clearly define what you're looking for. AI can help clarify your needs by guiding you through. Budget estimation tools. Use AI-powered mortgage calculators like Zillow's affordability tool, ChatGPT, or Smart Asset to analyze your income, debt, and credit to determine how much home you can afford. Chatbots for goal setting. Tools like ChatGPT or home buying assistants built into real estate apps can help you articulate your goals by asking questions like, are you buying for investment or personal use? How long do you plan to live there? What are your must-have features? AI tools can also compare market conditions and predict how your financial situation will affect affordability over time. Step 2. Use AI to explore and narrow down neighborhoods. Picking the right neighborhood is just as important as the house itself. Instead of browsing endless maps manually, AI platforms can help you find the ideal area based on your lifestyle. Neighborhood match tools. Platforms like Niche, Livability, and Local Logic use AI to rate neighborhoods based on factors like crime rates, school quality, walkability, amenities, and affordability. Custom recommendation engines. Tools like Trulia or Redfin use machine learning to recommend areas based on your browsing and search behavior. AI maps and heat maps. Google Maps with AI-based overlays, e.g., commute time heat maps, crime maps, or price trends, can help you visualize data. By automating this analysis, you save weeks of research and avoid settling for the wrong location. Step 3. Search for properties using smart filters. Gone are the days of clicking through every single listing. AI makes property search much more efficient. AI-powered real estate apps, Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com all have AI recommendation engines that suggest listings based on your preferences and previous activity. Visual recognition search. Some platforms, like Zillow's Zillow Vision, let you search homes using pictures, not just text. You can upload an image of your dream kitchen, and AI finds similar homes. Chat-based search tools. Use conversational agents like ChatGPT or in-app chatbots to ask for homes that match detailed criteria. Show me 3-bedroom homes with a pool under $500,000 near top-rated schools in Miami. AI reduces the time spent filtering through irrelevant listings and ensures you only see the homes that match your criteria. Step 4. Use virtual tours and AI-powered imagery. In-person tours can be time-consuming and sometimes unnecessary. AI helps you walk through homes without leaving your couch. 3D virtual tours. Platforms like Matterport offer immersive, AI-generated walkthroughs of homes using 3D cameras and modeling software. AI-enhanced photography. AI tools enhance photos to give accurate lighting and room size estimations. Some even offer virtual staging, so you can visualize different furniture setups. VR compatibility. If you have a VR headset, some platforms now offer full virtual reality home tours. This allows you to narrow down your list without visiting dozens of homes. Step 5. Use AI to analyze market trends and property value. Before making an offer, use AI to evaluate whether a property is a smart investment. Predictive pricing tools. Zillow's Zestimate and Redfin Estimate use AI to predict future values of homes based on market trends, neighborhood sales, and economic conditions. Comparative market analysis. CMA tools like House Canary or Mashvisor use AI to generate CMAs that show how the home compares to others in the area. Rent versus buy calculators. If you're unsure whether to rent or buy, AI tools can analyze costs, tax benefits, and ROI to help you decide. This data can be crucial in negotiating a fair price and knowing when to walk away. Step 6. Work with an AI-savvy real estate agent. While AI is powerful, having a human partner is still essential. The best real estate agents today use AI to provide better service. Agent matching services. Platforms like HomeLight and Fast Expert use AI to match you with agents who have a strong record in your target area. AI CRM tools. Top agents use customer relationship management tools powered by AI, like KV Core or Compass, to automatically track listings, schedule showings, and send updates. Look for agents who integrate tech into their workflow. They'll be faster, more responsive, and better at negotiating based on data. Step 7. Get pre-approved with AI-based lenders. Many online lenders now use AI to streamline mortgage approvals. Online mortgage lenders, companies like Better.com, Rocket Mortgage, and Blend use AI to pull your financial info automatically, match you with the best loan products, give instant pre-approval decisions. Rate comparison tools. AI services like Bankrate or NerdWallet use machine learning to match you with lenders and rates based on your profile. These tools can get you pre-approved in minutes rather than days. Step 8. Use AI for paperwork, legal review, and closing. Closing on a home involves a mountain of documents, but AI can help with that too. Smart Document Review. AI tools like DocuSign Analyzer or Laverton can scan contracts and flag issues or discrepancies. Title and insurance AI tools. Services like Spruce or Doma use AI to streamline title searches and issue insurance more quickly. E-closings. Many states now allow remote closings via platforms like Notarize or Qualia, which use AI for ID verification, digital signatures, and fraud detection. These AI tools make the final stretch faster, safer, and less overwhelming. Step 9. Post-purchase AI tools for homeowners. AI doesn't stop at closing. It can also help you manage your new home. Home maintenance assistance. Apps like Centric let you scan appliance labels and get reminders for maintenance, troubleshooting help, or repair videos. Smart home devices. AI-powered devices like Nest for energy, Ring for security, and Alexa for automation can make your home more efficient and secure. Home value trackers. Use tools like Zillow or HomeBot to monitor your home's market value and refinance opportunities. This ongoing support helps you protect your investment and make smarter long-term decisions. Final thoughts. Buying a home is one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make. With AI on your side, the process becomes smarter, faster, and far less stressful. From budgeting and browsing to analyzing trends and closing the deal, AI empowers you to make data-driven decisions at every step. Still, AI should be seen as a partner, not a replacement, for your own judgment and the support of professionals. The smartest buyers today combine high-tech tools with human expertise to make the best possible move. Now that you know how AI can help, you're ready to start your journey toward buying a home smarter. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.